Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So, all are to new to my channel. So, please subscribe my channel. Here is the channel link, and you can hit the bell icon. Okay, so let's talk about today topic, image builder. So, yesterday we have covered it, how to build the image for Windows server. Okay, so let's talk about today's Linux server, how we can able to build the images. Okay, so let's jump into the AWS console. Okay, then you can just select the EC2 Image Builder in the dashboard. You need to create a pipeline here. Okay, so right now I'm going to use it Ubuntu Linux. Okay, or Ubuntu Image. Okay, so let's copy and paste it here. So I'm going to mention it as a manual. I don't want it to schedule it monthly once. Then I'm going to create a new recipe with the new AMI. Okay, so I'm going to mention the Ubuntu here only, and I'm going to mention the versions also. So let me select the, there is a different flavors. Okay, you can select it Amazon Linux also or Ubuntu. So I'm going to select it Ubuntu. Okay, if you wanted to select it any other for distribution, you can able to select it. So the image, the latest version I'm going to use it, that is 22, that is 64 bit. So I'm going to check it. Okay, the SSM is it also. So this is a working directory for the Linux slash temp. Okay. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to install the Docker in the Ubuntu machine. Okay. So what this Docker C Ubuntu to do, it will install the packages. Okay. So once it is built it with pre-installed Docker, it is going to be installed it. Okay. Let's go on. We can verify it. The Docker is installed or not. Once the image is built, so let's create a EC2 machine using the AMI. Then we can verify it. Okay. So let's go for the test component if you wanted to test it anything. Okay. For example, apt repositories, it is correctly functionally it is working or not. So you can use the test components, and you can just verify that reboot to test Linux. So test whether the system can be rebooted successfully or not. Okay, I'm not going to select it, and the size I'll make it as a default. So let's go here, and from here I'm going to select default workflow. Okay, and here also I'm going to select a default. I don't want to create any profile as of now. Okay, if you wanted to create it, you can able to create it. That is also possible. So let's go ahead and next. Okay, so now just create a pipeline. So once you created a pipeline, so you need to run the pipeline. Okay, so just select the pipeline and run it. So once it is done, okay, go inside here, and so you'll see that the version. Okay, so we have selected 1.01 is a version. Okay, if you wanted to see the logs, you can select log also. Okay, so this is going to be created a log group also. And if you come to the image recipe, there is nothing. And image workflow also default. This is also defaults. Okay, distribution setting is default and tags. Okay, so there is nothing. So let's go inside the version. Okay, so let's verify it here. Workflow. Okay, so here if you're able to see it, there is a 7 layers are there. Okay, so still it is a launching a EC2 machine. Okay, so let's go and verify that the EC2 is running or not. So let's clear it. So as of now it is already running. Okay, that means the step still it is running. Okay, so let's wait for till this 7 completion. Okay, so let's wait for it. So still let's wait for, let's check what is the status. Okay, so the launch is completed. It is apply for the build components also, it is completed. So it is collecting the inventory. Let's go and verify it. So what is status? The instance is up and running. Okay, let's wait for to completed other steps. And you can just verify the logs also from the log groups. Okay, so it is retrieving. So let's wait for another 10 minutes. From here also it is still it is building. Let's wait. Let's check now. So sanitization it is completed. So let's check that the AMI it should be created. So let's go to the AMI section. Okay. So it is pending. So let's wait for to available status. And in the meantime also I can able to verify the logs also. Okay. So let's wait for a so let's refresh it. Okay. So if you're able to see the logs also, maybe it is already created a AMI and it is available. Okay. Let's go back to the EC2 console. Let's verify that. Okay. So this is terminated. Okay. So once the build is completed, that is going to be terminated. So let's go and verify that the status of the version. Okay. So right now it is building, right? If you refresh it, it will go to the next step, testing. Because testing instance right now it is running as of now. Okay. So this is also same thing. Once testing is completed, this instance it is going to be terminated. So let's wait for till that. We can just monitor it here only. Yeah. So let's wait for. Okay. So from here terminated. Okay. So the build is completed here. No problem. But testing is going on. So let's refresh it. Let's see. Wow. How much time it will take. Let's verify the logs. Okay. So let's refresh the logs. This test is completed or not. Okay. So the test instance also it is going to be terminated. Okay. So let's wait for the image status. It will come very soon. So let's refresh the logs also. So it will take time for that to terminate it. Let's wait. So let's wait for check that the instance also it is terminated. So let's go and verify it here. So it is available as of now. It is showing, and if you just refresh it, here also it is showing available. So let's verify here. So it is available. Okay, and if you go to the images also, we can able to see it, and component also we can able to. We don't see any component. We have not added any other third party, right? So it will not show us in the image recipe. You can able to see the version details. Everything. So container we are not created. Infrastructure, yes, we have configured it. Distribution setting, yes, it is available. These are all the details about image workflow. These are all the standard image workflow. You can able to create your own. Okay. So let's verify it. So the image is it is already created. Let me come to here. So now let's verify that two are terminated. Okay. Now I'll be back to EC2 console. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to select and I'm going to create a instance using the AMI. So let's make it as a Ubuntu build AMI. Then I'm going to select it to virtual CPU 1 GB is fine. And without keyword, I'm going to select it. I'm going to select the default because I'm just testing it. Okay, that is a let's launch the instance. So let's wait for total come up the server or instance. Okay, it should be shows 2 by 2 slash here. So let's wait. So now we can able to see that the server is up and running. Okay. So let's log into the server. So now just type it doc info. Let's wait for output. Okay. See, if you're able to see it, the Docker it is installed successfully. Okay. So this is how we can able to build it with the some of the software we can able to install it pre-package. That means okay. And once it is built, we can able to use this AMI images. Okay. So let's go and terminate it. I don't require it. Okay. So this is all about AMI image builder or EC2 image builder. Okay. So I have showed you two types of AMI image creation. Okay. So voila to again, voila to new to my channel. So please subscribe it and hit the bell icon. So I'll be coming up with a new topic. We'll catch up in the next videos. Till that, bye bye.